Hello YouTube, PokeDude TCG22 here again. Got more Exowap Flashfire packs. I got 5 from Walmart today. I'm going to open them up and see if we can get some sweet stuff. So here we go. Found that's the best way to open them. Rip the top off. Got it. Alright, we got a Charizard pack. Hopefully that means we're going to pull a Charizard. Better mean that we're going to pull a Charizard. Yes. Code card. Alright, here we go. Litleo, Sneasel, Seedot, Flababy, Shinx, Pidgeotto, Starling Megaphone, Luxio. That is a rare reverse holo Weavile. And my first rare looks like it's a holo Goodra. So that's awesome. Holo Goodra, pretty sweet pull. Okay. Top off. Pull the pack right out. Mega Charizard on that one, so that's cool. Open that bad beast up. Another code. Goddamn. Oh. Nothing like free codes. Free codes. Alright, we got a Pineco. Another Sneasel, Esper, Stunky, Roselia, Floetta, Protection Cube, Pal Pad, haven't pulled that one before, that's pretty cool. Feel Reverse Holo, and a Holo Carbink. So 2 holos in a row, that's freaking awesome, considering how hard it is to pull holos in this freaking set. Rather they be EXs though. Alright, let's keep on going here. Really should open them with scissors, but I always like doing it this way. Another code. Maybe one of these times I'll get it the right side up. Ooh, I feel something good back there. I think we got a full art in the back, guys. Full art in the back. I can feel it's got that texture. Bergmite. Roselia, Gumi, don't care about the Caterpie or the Geodude, Trainer, Roserade, Trick Shovel, Reverse Holo Litleo. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, it's a full art trainer. I'm really hoping for Pokemon Center Lady. Pokemon Fan Club, full art. Still pretty cool. Pokemon Fan Club. I will probably get this card graded through Silver Snorlax. Put a sleeve. That is sweet. Very cool pull, very cool. Alright, let's keep going here. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Code. Opening some packs and keeping up on the draft here. So here we go. We got Sneasel, Esper, Stunky, Roselia, Duskull, Graveler, Metapod, Sliggoo, Shinx. Seems like we get a Shinx in every freaking pack. And another Goodra holo. That one's definitely up for trade, sell. I only collect really one for my personal collection and then try to get rid of whatever else. So here's the last pack. Let's go. It's kind of cool on those full arts. You can feel them when you do the guard trick that they're coming. So it kind of gives you something to look forward to. Don't fill it on that one. So it looks like we got Caterpie, Gunari, Bitzel, Sandile, Ponyta, Nutsleaf, Fletchfinder, Ultra Ball, Fletchling, just a common reverse holo, and my last one is a Heliolisk regular rare. So pretty stoked about this card here. I really like the Pokemon Center lady, and of course all the Charizards and stuff. So thanks for watching, guys, and feel free to comment or message me if you're interested in any of the cards I pulled, and I appreciate it.